Okay, there are a few skincare mistakes I see as a dermatologist come up over and over and over again among patients. And if we could just get these kind of figured out, I feel like people would be so much happier with their skin and their skincare routine. Mistake number one, and I see this all the time, is trying to tackle too many skin issues with one routine. For example, it's not that uncommon to be dealing with acne, but also struggle with hyperpigmentation and also wanting to be doing something for anti-aging. But pick a lane. Of course, there are certain skincare products or ingredients that can multitask, like retinoids, for example, but it is so helpful if you pick the thing that matters the most to you, like for example, your breakouts, and you focus your routine on getting your breakouts under control first. Then once your acne is under control, we can start tweaking the routine to address those secondary concerns like pigmentation or anti-aging. Mistake number two is having a weak sun protection game, and hear me out. If you have a sun-sensitive condition like rosacea, like melasma, your sun protection needs to be so on point. If getting those conditions under the best control you possibly can have is a top priority for you, then it's not enough to just apply some sunscreen in the morning. You need to use a generous amount, you need to reapply, and you cannot just rely on your sunscreen. You need to have other sun protective practices. Wearing a hat, seeking shade. Believe me, I get it. That is a hard thing to do consistently day after day, but you just have to understand that if you're not consistent with those things, then you're not going to have the best control of your skin condition as possible. And then the third mistake I see people make all the time, and I'm guilty of this as well, is just not being patient with your skincare. Your skin needs 4 to 6 weeks to go through a single cycle of cell turnover, and you usually need 2 to 4 cycles of cell turnover before you're going to see the benefits from whatever skincare you're using. And 2 to 3 months in might just be when you start to see the benefits. It's not going to be the optimal outcome at that point. So please just give your skincare a little more time to do its thing.